guys, and welcome back to another episode of Do or DIY, where we prioritize creation over consumption and learn some really cool crafts. Now we are in the midst of our Christmas series, as we've got a little less than 2 weeks left till Christmas. I'd intended to post some more stuff, but with finals and everything these last few weeks, I've been entirely too busy to do so. But here I am back with another ornament pattern, this one for these adorable little gift box ornaments. These are a great project for scrap yarn, as they don't take very much of whatever color you're using, and so it's really pretty efficient in that respect. All you're going to need for this project is 2 colors of regular worsted weight yarn. This is mostly Red Heart Super Saver yarn, but you can also get the Dollar Tree brand or whatever you want. And then for a crochet hook, I used a 4.25mm, but use whatever works for you for this gauge. It'll just affect the size a little bit for the ornament, but that is totally alright. Then you're just going to need a pair of scissors and a yarn needle. And start the first piece of the first gift box. You're going to start with a slip knot, and you are going to chain 9 stitches. During the first chain, work 1 single crochet into the next 8 stitches across. This will give you your first row of single crochet. For row 2 through 7, you are going to chain 1 stitch, turn, and work 8 single crochet across. Finish off this piece, go ahead and repeat all of the steps for this, except do not finish off the second one, because we are going to continue to work with the yarn that is attached. About the background noise, my sister's watching a movie downstairs. But once you finish this piece, you're going to just chain 1, just like so. Flip the piece around, and then we're going to take that first piece we made and lie them flat together. Ignore the hair. Then you're going to stick your hook through the first stitch here, and then the stitch on the other side, and you're going to single crochet in that. And then you're going to repeat this all the way across for 8 stitches going this way. And then you're going to turn the piece, tuck that in, and crochet down the side here just to connect those pieces. I'm going to finish off here, but instead you're going to slip stitch along the top until you're in the center of the piece. And then you're going to leave a long bit, because we're going to make this the string to hang the ornament from. So you're going to cut it like there or so, and then pull it through. Then you're going to put your hook back through that same spot, grab the yarn down at the bottom, and slip stitch and pull that through, leaving a nice little loop to hang your ornament from. And then you're going to weave in this tail. Your ornament is finished, and now go ahead and pick whatever color you want for the ribbon over top. I'm going to use this pretty purple for a frosty wintry look. You're going to make a slip knot with your new yarn color. And then you're going to come down here to the bottom of your piece, try to keep it about centered, and you're going to insert your hook up through the stitches. You just want the hook through the stitches on the front of the crochet. You don't want it to go all the way through to the back piece. Struggling a little bit here to get this on camera, but you're gonna slip stitch it on like so. And then what we're going to do is work what is called a surface slip stitch across here, which is where you insert your hook up and through this front panel, and then that's going to be a slip stitch just right along there. You could also embroider it, but I think this is a cleaner look. And make sure that you're keeping your gauge reasonably loose for these stitches, otherwise it's going to pull in the middle here. Like you see, my first few were a little bit tight and it's pulling a little bit there. At the top, do not finish off because we're going to make the cute little bow. And to do this, you're just going to chain 8 stitches here. And then you're going to fold this back around and slip stitch through there. Pull that tight. Leaves a little loop like that. You can do them a little bigger or a little smaller depending on your preference, but I kind of like the medium size. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Fold it over. And now you are going to cut your yarn, leaving a little extra so you can weave it in comfortably. You have the finished ornament. That's it, guys. I hope you love this pattern. As always, do comment below and let me know what you'd like to see next for tutorials. And yeah, have a great Christmas, and I'll see y'all soon.